My name is Valerie. Today I'm here to open yet another OwlcrateJr box. I am super excited for this one. It is the month of November. And this is the box of November. So,
Read with Val. Read on, have fun, and dream big.
the theme is dragons. Okay, so the first thing is a brochure. Like always, interview with the author, maybe some games, puzzles, fun things like that. And a community feature. So, here, community feature, and yeah, so it's a lot of fun to go through. And so the next thing I see here is this box. I'm not sure what it is. So you can open it. So let us open. And there's bubble wrap. Oh. Okay, but let's focus on the main part. It is a dragon mug. Oh my god, this art is very pretty. It's very gorgeous, but it's kind of terrifying because there's just like dragon and it's blowing fire on this little boy. I think it's very useful. It's very pretty, and I think it's a good item. So, next up, it says it's a whipped up wonderful jasmine tea dragon bath bomb. That's a mouthful. Okay, I love bath bombs. Here, it's a dragon egg. And I'm very happy that it's in this box because I love bath bombs, and I think this one is very cool. It says it's a jasmine tea dragon bath bomb. So I'm excited to use it. And yeah. Boom. We have a pin. Oh, this is so cute. It is a dragon pin, of course. Well, I think it's a keychain. My bad. It's a keychain, not a pin. And we're just going to pull the strings out. Oh, wow. Okay. This reminds me of, what is his name? In How to Train a Dragon, the dragon, like the main Nightfire, I think. I'm not really sure, but that looks like the main dragon in How to Train a Dragon. So cute. So yeah, I'll be putting this on my backpack, definitely. Okay. Next up, we have, whoa. Wow. Okay, it is, wow. Okay, it's this cardboard model kit, 3D, and it's a dragon. That looks so hard. Okay, so here's the back. The directions look kind of hard, but I'm up for a challenge. I'll try it because I'm probably not going to be able to build this, but it looks really cool. I mean, that it looks really cool. So, okay, so next we have the book, the main focal point here. Okay, it's called The Night Silver Promise by Annalise at Avery. There it is. I love the cover. Very mysterious, magical. Definitely about dragons, now that we know the whole. Okay, so first is the letter. It says, Dear OwlcrateJr. reader, welcome to the Empire of Abolition. Albion. Okay. Dear OwlcrateJr. reader, welcome to the Empire of Albion and the world of the celestial mechanism, where your destiny is written in the stars at the moment of your birth, and everyone has a track to follow, a fate tattooed on your wrist for all to see. I've always loved the stars. There's something so terrifying and beautiful about looking out across the ink black sky, chock full of stars, that I always find empowering and intimidating. When I started writing The Night Silver Promise, I had a very clear vision in my head of Paisley Fitzwilliam, standing on the roof of her family home in London, looking through a telescope at a comet. I knew that Paisley lived in a world where science was very important. I also knew that there were dragons in this world too. I knew the comet was going to bring trouble for Paisley, and that her little brother Dax had a very big secret, and Paisley was going to be responsible for keeping him safe. And I knew that Paisley had not yet received her destiny. What grew from this idea was an epic adventure through the floating boroughs of London and the dragon walker treasure troves to the dark sewers of lower London, where an ancient threat is stalking Paisley, determined to stop her track. I'm so excited that you are soon to set off through the Empire of Albion. Keep your track beneath you, and let your stars guide you from above. But beware, for there be dragons. I think this letter is, well, it kind of scared me because of like the dragons part and like the secret and the comet. But I can't wait to read this book. I think it's going to be super exciting, mysterious, and dragons, all about dragons. So, okay. This is the author's signature sticker. I'm just going to put it right. Boom. Nice. Right there. And now we have, this is so cute, a little dragon sticker. It says it's a dragon, and then their books, and the dragon's reading a book that says How to Breathe Fire. And this dragon is very cute. So, yeah. So, last but not least, oh my god, okay. Wings of Fire bookmark. I have friends who are obsessed over Wings of Fire. Like, you don't know how much they talk about Wings of Fire. So I know a lot about it. I know a lot about Wings of Fire from like hearing them talk about it. Like, I know some of like the dragon characters on this bookmark, but I think I'm going to try to read Wings of Fire, but I think I like this bookmark because it has a lot of detail, and I mean, it's all about dragons, so yeah. And finally, last in the box, the theme of the December OwlcrateJr. box is Secret Cities. Pack a bag. We are heading into uncharted lands, from Oz to Narnia and all sorts of places in between. We're celebrating some of our favorite secret literary cities. December's book is the first in a rip-roaring new fantasy adventure series, perfect for fans of Rick Riordan, Shannon Messenger, and the Pegasus series. Okay, so that is going to be the December OwlcrateJr. box, and yeah, this box had a lot of things in it. I'd say my favorite, I really liked the mug and the dragon bath bomb here. and the mug, and also, of course, the book. So I am going to start the journey of Paisley Fitzwilliam. Everyone enjoys this box. I know I did. And meet me back here for December's OwlcrateJr box. And bye-bye!